Alright, today we're going to do a quick video of a Harig Easy Surf 618, serial number 535EZ. Start the spindle. Machine has a manual chuck, a walker. You have your electronic hand wheels, both your Z and your Y. You can also jog or rapid. Z is nice and quiet. Y is also nice and quiet. Start the table reciprocation. You can speed up and slow down. Hydraulics are also nice and quiet. Machine's presently wired for 220 volts. It can be seen in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse under power. Thank you for watching the video.